Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable keyboard spell check on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. And system, go to language and input. In language and input, you can see the keyboard in input section here, and you can see the virtual keyboard. Okay, tap the virtual keyboard. In virtual keyboard, go to Gboard. And Gboard in settings, okay, go to text correction. Okay, tap this. In text correction, scroll down and go to below, and you can see here the spelling section. Here in spelling section, you can see the spell check. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the spell check, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, mark misspelled words with red underlines while typing. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled keyboard spell check on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.